Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram in order for you not to miss out on updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. You can also join the mentorship program that we are currently offering on the Patreon channel, right? You will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So once you go to the Patreon channel, subscribe in order for you to join. Now, take a look at this movement on GBPJPY. You can see that GBPJPY is literally ranging within this level right here. So this is our resistance here, and this is also our support level. So now the market has come to tap this resistance, right? We are at this resistance level, right? We should be expecting market to reject from our resistance and it will drop back to our support level. So guys, a sell, a bearish move for the day is what I'm going to be expecting on GBPJPY, and that bearish move should drop till it comes to a level of 207. What market can drop with that movement, we should be seeing that back to 100 pips. So this will be giving us likely 100 pips or even more, right? So anticipate for a bearish move on GBPJPY. If there will be any updates or changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys to know about that. So in order for you not to miss out on those updates, make sure you subscribe, like, and share.